Kia ora and welcome to the step-by-step tutorial on how to complete an unsubmitted enrolment application. If you have previously started an application but didn't have time to finish it, this tutorial will show you how to edit your unsubmitted enrolment application. Step 1. Search up Wānanga.com in your chosen web browser. This will open the Te Wānanga o Raukawa website. Step 2. Click on Te Ara. Step 3. Click on the Sign In button. Step 4. Enter your username and password and click Sign In. Please remember that they are case sensitive. Step 5. Click on My Enrolment Applications. Step 6. Click on My Enrolment Applications again. Step 7. Select the enrolment application that you would like to complete by clicking the drop-down arrow and selecting Edit My Enrolment Application. This will then take you to where you left off in your enrolment application. You can now continue filling it out. For assistance with submitting an enrolment application, please refer to the Te Ara How to Submit Enrolment Application video tutorial. For further queries about completing an unsubmitted enrolment application, please email tetomunga@twr-otaki.ac.nz or call 0800 9262 642 and ask for Te Tomunga.